If you're looking to list your home, don't let overpricing cost you.
You want to be strategic when setting your list price. If you price your home too high, it can cost you in the long run. And here's why.
Buyers aren't going to pay attention to a home with an inflated asking price. Don't forget, buyers have done their research, and so has their agent, and they are not willing to pay more than they have to, especially in today's high interest rate environment.
The more you overprice your home, the longer it'll take to sell on the market. And the longer it takes to sell, the more undesirable it'll be. Why? Because buyers are going to ask, why isn't anyone else purchasing this home? What is wrong with this property? Instead, pricing your home at market value or just a little bit below is a way better strategy, which is why it's really important to work with a seasoned expert realtor who will determine that listing price.
When determining the best listing price for your property, we look at the comparables, absorption rate, days on market, historical buying patterns, the price per square foot. Is it a buyer's market? Is it a seller's market? What are the interest rates? And we factor in the condition of your home. All this information tied together will give us the ideal target price to list your property.
So you, as the seller, will get the best price in the shortest amount of time. Reach out to our team and we will help guide you through this important life decision and get you the best return on your investment.